of your biggest personal goal. For real, you can take a second. You've got to feel this to learn it. Take a few seconds and think about your personal biggest goal. Imagine deciding right now that you are going to do. Imagine telling someone that you meet today about what you are going to do. Doesn't it feel good to say it out loud? Don't you feel one step closer already, like it's already becoming part of your identity? Well, the bad news, you should have keep your mouth shut, because that good feeling will make you less likely to do it. The repeated psychology tests have proven that tell someone about your goal makes it less likely to happen. Anytime you have a goal, there are some steps that need to be done, some work that need to be done in order to achieve it. Ideally, you will not be satisfied until you actually done the work. But when you're telling someone about your goal and then they acknowledge it, psychologists have found that it's called social reality. So, the mind is kind of tricked into feeling that it's already done. And then, because you feel that satisfaction, you are less motivated to do the actual hard work necessary. So, if this is true, what can we do? Well, you could resist the temptation to announce your goal. You can delay the gratification that social acknowledgement brings. And you can understand about the mind mistakes to talking for the doing. But if you do need to talk about something, you can state it in a way that gives you no satisfaction. So audience, next time, if you are tempted to tell someone about your goal, what will you say? Silence. Exactly. Well done.